Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzing Patio, the show I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzing Patio. I'm Bier and today I'll be teaching you about parts of the day.
Okay, Bier. So parts of the day, let's talk about morning. How would I say the word morning?
So for morning you say chow.
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 And that means morning, and that's basically from sort of
chowy.
okay. So that's basically from like early in the morning through till sort of like lunchtime-ish.
Yes, so
Okay.
chow, yeah.
And in the afternoon, how would I say the word afternoon?
Afternoon is bye.
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 Okay, and that, so I could say to you, I'm going to meet you in the afternoon, which is bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. And evening?
Yen.
Yen. Okay, so again, if I want to meet you in the evening, I'd refer to that as yen.
Yes.
Alright, perfect. A part of the day which I know you hate, what about early morning? How do we say early morning?
This is your favorite, you should know this. It is chow mud.
Chow mud.
Chow mud.
Mud. How do you do the mud bit? Spell
Mud
that for me.
is like
How would you say
that's hard to spell. M-U-E-D. Mud.
Mud.
Yeah.
Okay, again, so early morning is?
Chow.
Chow mud.
Chow mud, yes, sorry.
Okay.
Chow mud,
okay.
yeah.
Chow. Alright, late at night, so if I want to refer to someone and tell them I'm going to go out late at night, how do I say late at night?
That's easy, just say duk.
Oh, again please?
Duk.
Duk.
Duk. Yeah.
How do we spell that? Be careful. Duck. How do you say duck?
Duk.
D-E-K? No, it's deck.
No,
Duck. D-U-K?
That's duck.
No, C. D-U-C-K.
Oh, yeah. That's
What
duck. That's duk. Yeah, D-U-K. Yeah.
Duck. Okay. Alright, great. Okay, so let's have a recap then. So, morning.
Chow.
Afternoon.
Afternoon is bye.
Evening.
Evening is yen.
Early morning.
Early morning is chow mud.
And late at night
is duk. Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of my next episode. Also, be sure to comment below if there's any words that you don't know and you need some help with. Again, thank you for supporting me. If you would like to further support me by buying me a coffee, please feel free to do so with the link below in the description. Thank you for your support and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.